Does it work on canvas? Well, let's see. I got my canvas. Got all my paints lined up. Magenta. Get the edge. Hot pink. Grape. Grape. Oasis blue. Seaside. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. Satin sea glass. Jungle green. Sun yellow. Marigold. Cransleberry. Yeah. Deep turquoise. And apple red. I just sprayed my kneecap. And now we let it dry. Then we'll take the Dawn dish soap. Let's do some swipes across it like this. And black spray paint. Paint over everything. And where the soap is, the paint won't stick. So then we're going to wash it off. And you'll still see the design underneath in those little stripes. Yeah. Spray. Get it! And the sides. Get all the sides. Yes. Yes, indeed. Feed the needy. Don't be greedy. Just sign the treaty. And yes, we are going to let this dry for a little bit. Probably about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll wash it off. We don't want to do it too quick because we don't want to wash off the black that we just painted. Now that it's dry, we can spray it off. Yeah, boy! Look at that. Now let's turn it on to jet. Oh yeah. That's freaking sick, man. I really like that. Oh, shit! It's good.